In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use contact tags in GoHighLevel. Tags are simple labels you attach to contacts so you can segment your list, trigger automations, and keep your database organized. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply a tag to one or more contacts quickly and confidently. First, head into your GoHighLevel account and open the contacts area. This is your main list view where every person in your workspace appears. Working from here keeps everything consistent because any tag you apply is immediately available for filtering, reporting, and workflows across the platform. Next, select the contact you want to update by clicking the checkbox to the left of their name. You can choose a single person or select multiple people at once if you're applying the same tag. If you're working with a larger list, you can also use filters first and then check the box to apply the tag to everyone in that filtered view. Selecting before you tag ensures the action is applied exactly where you intend. With your contact or contacts selected, look for the action controls that appear above the list and choose Add Tags. If you see a search or action field, start typing Add Tags to bring it up instantly. This is the fastest way to zero in on the correct action, especially when you have other bulk options available. When the tagging panel opens, click into the tags field. This is where you tell GoHighLevel which label to apply. The field supports both existing tags and brand new ones, so it adapts to the structure you already use. Type the tag name you want to use. As you type, matching tags will appear for a quick selection. If it's a new tag, finish typing the name and confirm it. Short, clear names work best. Consider a simple naming convention like lowercase with hyphens or underscores, and keep tags specific such as stage lead, source Facebook, or webinar registered. Consistency here pays off when you filter or build automations later. Finally, click Add Tags to confirm. GoHighLevel applies the tag to every selected contact and updates their record right away. If you open any of those contacts later, you'll see the tag listed with the rest of their details ready to be used in segments, pipelines, or workflow triggers. If you're tagging a large group, give it a moment to process and avoid navigating away until you see the confirmation. That's it. You opened contacts, selected the right people, chose Add Tags, clicked into the tags field, typed the tag name, and confirmed with Add Tags. Use clear names, apply them consistently, and your database will stay organized and powerful.